Kansas here. We're not going to show your face. We're just going to show your ear. You've never had anything removed from your ears before?
Nope.
Okay. And you're having, can you hear me? Yeah. and you've had trouble hearing out of this ear for some time.
No, I haven't thought I had a hard time hearing. I just
recently it's come to your attention. There might be. Okay. Okay. So what we've decided is that you have a great deal of cerumen impacted in that ear. Can you turn just a little bit right there? I'm gonna take a look in there again, and we're gonna see if we can't get in there and get this for you. It's rather impressive.
Well, my family's saying anything worth doing is worth overdoing.
All right. All right, just hold real still. Real still. If it hurts, you're going to tell me. We're going to see if we can't gently get that out for you.
Look at that.
We got one big piece. Huh? There you go. Don't look. I'll show you. if you got to see it. Take another look in there. How did that feel?
Yeah, it feels better.
Already noticed an improvement there, huh? All right, we're gonna get back in there real easy. There's another chunk. Key to these is just take it slow, go easy. You know this, Gumby Gene. I know this is for anybody that happens to. Yeah. He's feeling. Just
oh, that was a good piece.
A whole bunch right there. Look at that all coming out of there. I'm going to show this all to you in just a minute, Mr. Kansas. I think you're going to be impressed with the quantity as well as quality. Let's get another look in there. I bet you can hear me now, can't you?
A little bit better.
Yeah, that's right. There it is right there.
Less work for me. I'm just kidding.
So what we generally recommend people that have a problem with the cerumen building up in the ears is there are some over-the-counter kits that you can get that just have a little bit of an ear wax kind of softener product in it. You can use that to kind of soften the wax, and it has a bulb syringe that you can use to rinse the wax out.
You all right?
You've been good.
Okay. A little water in there.
I'd have just a wee bit more. Now don't go anywhere. Should feel a little bit odd, but it shouldn't hurt. Yeah, you've still got a great deal in there. So we're gonna try one more time right over here. Nice and slow. Oh my.
That feels better.
Look at that dude coming out of there. That's huge. We just got another huge.
Blood too, right?
Sometimes what happens is the little wax will. Oh yeah, you're clear now. The wax and dust will get in there. I want you to see what came out of your ear there.
Wow.
Look at that.
Yeah. Ooh. So what happens is it gets in there and it'll dry, and it sort of attaches to the little hairs inside the ear canal. So when we scoop it out, it tears those little hairs out and it hurts a little bit.
Okay.
Ma'am, thanks for letting us. You're okay if we video your procedure for all our
Pepper?
Are we live, little Gonzo?
Yes, he keeps
We got
moving.
our friend Pepper here. Pepper, do you mind if we video for your procedure here for YouTube and the internet?
No.
You don't mind at all. All right, Gonzo.
No.
Now, you've had a little trouble with your ear for a few weeks, you were telling me, correct?
Yes.
All right, and what do you think's going on in there?
Well, just when I wake up in the morning, some is just stopped up, and you can hear it pop. You start hearing, but the last 2 days it's just solid.
Yep.
Won't open up.
Well, we took a look in there, and you've got a cerumen impaction, and that's not a big surprise. That's happened to you once before, hasn't it?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to see if we can't relieve you of this impacted cerumen.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to take a look in here again. See if we can't do this for you. Can you see okay, little Gonzo?
Not really.
Go right there. Is it hurting any?
Well, I can feel it. hearing a little popping.
Do ya? We got a little
Ooh.
piece right there. You got a big chunk coming out right here, my friend. Looks like a monstrous collection of cerumen right there. And let's see that again in slow-mo. Here we go, speculum's in, lighted, something's coming out. What could it be? An enormous, monstrous collection of cerumen making its way now out of the ear canal for you to see. There.
Hold on.
You see that?
Look at it.
No, I can't see it. Hold on. Get up, 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 up. There it goes.
Yeah, there it is. You want to see it?
Oh man. Don't
Pretty
show me
surprising,
that.
isn't it? Pretty
It's
surprising.
pitiful.
Let's take another look in there.
He just say that's pitiful.
He said it was pitiful. I think you've got some more right there. There's some more. See that?
No, up. You're not showing it.
You
How
see?
long does that take to build up?
Yeah.
Well, everybody's a little bit different. For some people, it can happen in a period of a few months. For others, it can take years.
I think what I need to do is move down this way.
Let me take another quick peek in here, see how you're doing. Looks pretty good. You do still have a bit more. We're going to go back in for some more, okay? Can you see, Gonzo?
It's too short, but I do see you
I
getting.
can feel that. Oh,
Can you feel a little bit
man.
there?
Oh, man. Yeah.
It can be a little bit uncomfortable. We just got another big chunk out, though.
I think you can let this go.
Feels like it's hitting my throat.
Feels like it's going all the way into the throat there, huh?
Sorry.
Looks pretty good, Mr. Pepper. I'm going to give you a prescription for some drops to go in there to kind of calm that ear down a little bit, okay? You all right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Can you hear better out of that ear now?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
It seemed like I hear, but it,
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go, go, go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description. Also, check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit, available on Amazon for under $20. It's got a leather case and it's compact in size, good for traveling. See link below.